दोन दिसाचे गोंय विधानसभेचे अधिवेशन बेरेस्तारच्यान सुरुवात जाले. राज्यपालाच्या अभिभाशणात विधानसभेक सुरुवात जाली. राज्यपालान आपल्या भाशणात गोंय सरकाराच्या कामगिरीचेर भर दिलो. वेगवेगळ्या योजनांच्या माध्यमांतल्यान सरकारान केल्ल्या कामाची राज्यपालान तोखणाय केली.
7 such leave interactions webinaries have been conducted at village panchayat and municipal level in 2024. It is my privilege to mention that for the first time, Union Minister Sri Shivraj Singh Chauhan ji, Honorable Union Minister for Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, interacted with our fellow Goan farmers in one of the live interactions. Presently, special drives are being carried out from January 2025 by various departments across all village panchayats and municipalities on various schemes and programs along with health check camps. To achieve Vikas Bharat at 2047, the empowerment of our Nari Shakti is of utmost importance. My government has launched the LIC Bima Shakti Yojana in the state, especially in our Magalas. The Bima Shagis enrolled will get specialized training and a guaranteed stipend for 3 consecutive years in addition to commission of new insurance policies done. To pursue excellence in governance for the benefit of all citizens and to ensure that the citizens get responsive, accountable and transparent administration and also get their grievance addressed in a time-bound manner by my government launched in CM Helpline. Presently, 7 departments have been envisaged in this context. My government has launched the Smart Transit Card under the tagline, One Card, Many Destinations. This card aims to revolutionize public transport in Goa by enabling cashless travel across Kadamba Transport Corporation Limited buses, including the Maji bus service. The commercial operations registered vehicles scrapping facility have started from November 2024 to carry out dismantling and scrapping operations for facing one unit and polluting vehicles and promoting recycling the vehicle share in the eco-friendly manner.